LeAne at South Seas Island Resort on Captiva Island. It is a freestanding home, a 3-bedroom plus loft, 3-bath, direct Gulf front. You can hear the waves. And here, the beach does rule. Truly, there are beach rules here. Watch the sunrise and the sunset. Of course, you will get panoramic sunsets from this upper deck. Shoes are optional. Take long walks. Look for seashells. Typically, there's plenty of seashells here. Read a good book, which is one of my favorites. Play in the waves. And last but not least, relax, refresh, and renew. Specifically, within this community of the beach homes, there are 33 homes. They have 3 pools. They have their own tennis courts as well. This property is listed for $3,050,000. Yes, you heard it right, $3,050,000. It is the original owner. It's the first time ever being on the market. Let's go take a look.